may katotohanan ng grasya mula sa Diyos. Ang una, ito'y libre. Ikalwa, ito'y consistently naririyan, ibinibigay lagi sa atin ng Diyos. Ikatlo, it is meant for us to grow, to become holy, to become fruitful. Yan ang katotohanan ng grasya. But there is another side to this grace. At ano yun? Yung sinasabi sa Ebanghelyo ngayon na lupa. According to the one who receives the grace, yan ang ibinubunga. So all of us, guaranteed may grace. Tingnan kaya natin ating mga sarili. Because at times, we're not careful if we do not trust fully in God's grace. Mga kapatid, pwede tayo mamili, baka dumating ang demonyo, ang daling mawala. O kaya, we have cooperated fully. Makikita natin kung how we become now truly matabang lupa na namumunga ng higit pa dahil sa biyaya ng Diyos. Grace will always be there. God is so generous that He will give us all the graces we need for us to become better, to become holy, and to become fruitful.